Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2022, question number 21. Consider a relation R A, B, C, D, E with the following three functional dependency. AB implies C, BC implies D, C implies E. The number of superkeys in the relation R is dash. Superkeys are the superset of candidate or primary key. So first we need to find the candidate key. A, B, positive closure, it will be AB. Then C is dependent on AB, so C. D is dependent on BC, we'll add D. E is dependent on C, so we can add E. From AB, we can derive A, B, C, D, E. All are dependent on AB, that's why AB is the candidate key. Next check BC. BC positive closure, that will be BC. From BC, D. Then from C, E. There are no way A is dependent on BC. So this is not the candidate key. Now check C plus. C plus will be just CE. Okay. So this is also not the candidate key. We found candidate key as AB. Any attribute or set of attribute whose closure contain all the attribute of the relation are the key. We found candidate key as AB. Now from this A, B, C, D, E, A, B are the candidate key, or you can say prime attribute, whereas C, D are the non-prime attribute. There are three non-prime attributes C, D and E. So any superset of A, B are the super key. So A, B combined with any combination of C, D, E, that will be our super key. C, D, E, there are three attributes. So there can be 2 power 3 possible. 2 power 3 means it will be 8. So there can be 8 combination of C, D, E. If we will find power set of 3 element, it will be 2 power 3, that's 8. So by using C, D, E, it can be 5, C, D, E, then C, D, C, E, D, E, then C, D, E. So these 8 combination possible. Now A, B union any of these, that will be our super key. So A, B, C, A, B, D, then A, B, E, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, E, A, B, D, E, A, B, C, D, E. So all these combination will be our super key. We got 3 non-prime attribute, 2 power 3 equals to 8. Hence number of super key in the relation is 8. Just find the prime attribute and how many non-prime attribute are there. 2 power non-prime attribute will be number of super key possible. Just for understanding, I list out all the super key, you don't need. I already discussed similar type of example during lecture. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.